Hi everybody, Ross here again. So I've just, as you guys may know from my story, that I've already passed my phase 1 for FTMO. So I'm now rooting on for the next verification phase to get 5% in 60 days. Okay, so the purpose in making this video is to give you updates for Euro USD and gold, and then what can we expect for the market in the next few days, and hopefully that it should give you guys a big picture about what's going on in the market, right? So I'll just begin with Euro USD. Let me just make sure this is recorded. Yep, right. Okay, I'll just begin with Euro USD, right? As I said, Euro USD last week, right, as I explained to you guys, is that this drop is just a reply wave, and then price is going to make another impulse towards the upside. And the ultimate, the first level right now, based on the daily, right, is the 1.23 level. Okay, so and then the ultimate level, I think this is on the daily. Yes, this is the daily target. For the weekly target, it's around 1.25, as I pointed out on that day for last week. Okay, 1.2, yeah, 1.24, 1.25 will be a very good one. Price can either reject here and then maybe go sideways and complete a cycle of uptrend, or price can just push up. There's a lot of possibility that can happen. But in the weekly, we can see that as a reply wave, and now we are waiting for one impulse to go up. Okay, so in the daily today, we can see that the market is trending towards the upside. Okay, with good healthy momentum, I would say. As I said, I'm not looking to go into the H4 as well. Just so from the daily perspective, will do. So 1.23, 300 will be the good level to take any profits, and then leave it for a while to see whether if price can break past this resistance to reach the 1.24, 700, which is the weekly level. That is for your USD. Okay. For gold, price have reached the 1870 target, daily target, as I mentioned last time. Okay, the daily target for yep. As I said, the daily target, as I pointed out last time, was the 1870, and then we can see some right now. It's a weak. There's a weak bar momentum, right? So the weak bar momentum, and after an impulse wave, so price should come down for a reply wave, perhaps. Okay, but my advice to you guys, right, for gold, for this week, right, gold and yen is going to be very tricky. So if possible, right, try to stay out of gold in the meantime, right? In the meantime, try to stay out of gold first. Still too early for you. And then, for instance, you look at this. If you're gonna buy this, you're gonna buy a supply. You're gonna buy a resistance. You're gonna buy when the price is high, and you're gonna buy a weak buy momentum, and it doesn't make freaking sense at all. So if you're gonna take a sell, okay, if you're gonna take a sell in this case, price is going to push down only for a short while. After that, because of this bullish pressure, price will keep on pushing again. Alright, so it's gonna be very tricky, as I say. So try not to take any positions for gold, and because gold is related to the yen pairs, try to avoid these two going into this week. Okay, until you can see clear price action. Because for gold, right, the the long-term outlook for this pair is still towards the upside. Okay, at least to me, the next target, I think 1954 is quite high. Maybe next target most probably is the 1925. Okay, but it's going to take a while. Okay, it's going to take a while because price already make an impulse. So we should see a price make a sideways movement here, or price make a down here and a strong push towards the upside. So be careful. You don't want to take a buy here, and you don't want to sell in this uptrend structure. So the best solution is to stay out totally from gold. Okay. As I said, after I analyze the high time frames, I don't even care about the 4 hour anymore. Okay. So my buyers stay out. Yen is going to be tricky. So well, because for yen, right, even for yen pair, I find that yen pair can still go towards the upside. Okay, can still go towards the upside of the 123 level, and especially for CHF yen. Okay, I like this pair because this pair, once it goes up, right, it just don't stop. Okay, so what we can see right now, right, if you can see, okay, right now we can see, let me see the top down analysis first from the weekly point of view. What I see, okay, price is still on the impulse. Okay, on the daily, if you can see right here, right, price is on a bullish engulfing. But something that I don't like about trading this kind of bullish engulfing is that if you look at this, right, the wave is towards the upside, and then it come after this bearish candle, right? I will take a bullish engulfing after price push down, and then I take a buy, and that is the best bullish engulfing setup to take. Okay, I do not like after price push and then bullish engulfing came like that, right? This is like grabbing liquidity to go lower. So don't, as I say, yen pair is going to be very tricky, so try to stay out of yen pairs and go as it's related together, and do not sell, because why? There is buying pressure right around this level between the 120 and onwards. Okay, so stay out. See, I don't even know where to mark, so screw it. Eurocat, I already took a buy. Okay, why I took a buy, as I say, from the weekly. Okay, why I took a buy is that I can see a strong impulse wave towards the downside, and then we see weak sell momentum right down here at this congestion area. To me, it's the order block. Okay, and then I already took a buy to the next target, most probably just a weekly target of 1.51700. For the daily target, should be around that area as well, around that zone as well. Okay, so you can see an inside bar here, and then you can also see an inside bar false break, and then this bearish candle is just something to push you guys into buying. And I like the way this is formed. Okay, a bullish engulfing after a drop is always the best kind of setup that I like to take. But you can see that actually I entered earlier on already, because I expect the market to push up, which is did. So I can just lift my, and you can see an inside bar fakey here. This is where I entered, and it's going up towards the target set. You will all see a buy as well. Okay, I already buy. I buy Euro Aussie right around here. Okay, why? Because this is a broken structure level, false wave, impulse wave, reply wave, weak sell momentum. I entered, boom. Okay, Euro GBP I buy as well, because I expect pound to be weak. And if you look from here, right? Okay, you look at the weekly. If you look at the weekly, this is pulling everybody to go in to sell the pair, because people like to look at the color of the candle, which I don't like. I look at the structure of the market. Okay, a strong impulsive move, but now there's one new impulsive move towards the upside, and look at price resisting to go down easily, right? And then we can see weak sell momentum start to build up here, and that is where I look for a buy. And then that is this drop here, right? This drop here is actually a liquidity grab. Okay, this drop here is a liquidity grab. That's why I took a buy. Now price is moving up. According to so the target for Euro GBP, the first target will be the nearest resistance of daily target will be around here. Okay, we go for my weekly target. It can go quite high. Okay, can be a drop based value. If it does a drop based value, at least to the 0.90, which is quite lucrative, I would say. And I guess that's it. Okay, so stay out of gold, stay out of yen pairs, and then look at other pairs that have clean structure, clean price action that you can take. Okay, going into this week, because Wednesday, Thursday is where the price will trend and volatility will pick up, and it will be a much better risk reward as you go complete your trading week cycle. Alright guys, thanks for your support. So I'm going to smash that 5% in this week, and then be a funded FTMO trader. Cheers, see you guys.